on, Sam. Drugs can't even drive. Do you know what I think it would look like? It would probably look like this.
Hi guys, it's me, Red Titan, and welcome to Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, with Samantha and Jaden's World.
So guys, today we are going to review one of Ryan's World merchandise, and it's called Ryan's Mystery Playdate. And to me, on like the front and the back, to me it kind of looks like one of those, what are they called? Slot machines, but like it's much smaller and it has a more circular shape.
And it looks like a battery.
Wait, so this toy is available in stores for £14, and for us that's quite expensive. So that basically means we actually gotta find out if it's actually worth £14. So let's open it.
I think you open it like that. Woo. Woo. What do we have?
So this is what it looks like after we peel it off the cover. To me, it looks like one of those puzzles where you gotta like put it back together, and like, so it's basically kind of, so I was kind of right on the slot machine because it does move like that, like a slot machine would, but it's not like where you would pull a lever. So let's see. If I'm being honest, this one isn't that difficult. It just basically looks like a police car like it does on the cover. Well, the thing is on the front it has a dinosaur, so
it's like it connected together a bit. Oh, now we need just one more. There we go.
Wait, what? That makes no sense.
Oh, yeah.
So as you can see, this is what it basically looks like when it's all put together properly. However, maybe we should have just like lowered it down so we wouldn't have to do this. But oh well, it doesn't really matter. So let's go pull the sides.
Or do you have to twist the sides?
I don't think we're meant to pull them, Sam.
You have to twist them?
Maybe it's not the right combination. I mean, like, look at it. 3 out of 4 of them are like dark blue, while this one is a much lighter blue. So maybe it might be incorrect. Nah, I give up. I don't know what to do. So let's try another way.
Or maybe you have to turn it on the green star.
Wait a minute. Aren't you going to open it? Wait on, this is off.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, Jaden, it opened!
What? Wait, I can't see. That's better. Yeah? Wow, look what's inside.
Yeah, but before, no, we will see that. And remember, I am forgetting.
It doesn't matter. Look, there's another one too. And another. And another.
And then I get them all.
Hey, that's not fair.
Okay, what? How much are they? 1, 2. How about you get 2? I get 2, and we save this one for last.
All right.
And we do rock paper scissors for last.
So let me just say this, Ryan. Why is this toy so difficult?
This way. Why? Look at my eyes. I have not slept in 3 days.
Now let's open it and see what's inside.
This
better be worth it.
I'm getting my big one for that. Let's see. What? This is my character. Looks like he's a police officer. Wow.
And look what I have. It's a stage light. Looks like something that would come out of the 20th Century Fox logo.
Hey, it's like a movie.
Alright, let's open our others.
What? It's a police car.
Well, then that means we can put
Ryan.
Officer Ryan into it. Wait a minute, what's this?
Ooh.
Hey, look! It's
Thing, just in case if if you're not allowed to go back.
it's a barrier. Okay, now we gotta do rock, paper, scissors. Hey,
This one.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Yes!
Ooh, why is there hair here? It's wait.
Orange dog.
Wait, let me see. It's an orange wait, what? I'm so confused. What does this have to do? I mean, like, this is so weird. Of course we have Officer Ryan in the police car, but we also have a stage light with a barrier, and now a dog.
Look! Ryan signal!
So it's just basically like Batman.
Shit.
Sam, you do know that police officers don't need Batman signals. Wait, can I try it again? Samantha, you do know that police officers don't need Batman signals.
The dog's going to drive the car.
Come on, Sam. Dogs can't even drive. Do you know what I think it would look like? It would probably look like this.
No, I'll show you what it will look
Ow,
like.
my back. Oh, stop licking me. Besides, do your business already. We gotta get back to the police station. We might even get some donuts along the way. Hey, where are you going? Get back here! No! What are you doing? What did you do? No! What are you doing? Oh no! My dog's stuck! I can't get it out! Oh no! I think I need to call Red Titan! Oh no! Do you know what this job calls for? It's Red Titan time! Red Titan! Red Titan's here, so what's going on?
My dog was when I flew on, he went all over in here and look this time.
Alright, I'll get him out. Where's that dog? Here he is. Here's your dog. He's safe and sound.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I gotta go now. Bye-bye. So thank you for watching.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye. Hey!
And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. Now don't you worry, it won't be long. Darling, when you feel like hope is gone, just run into my arms, I'm only one. Cause